is Friday, what is today, the 11th, I believe. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to learn some math. We have a lot to do. I say that every day, but I mean that. Please always come to class with your brains on and your books ready and your notebooks ready and ready to learn math. We will have a test on Monday. Please prepare over the weekend. You have nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you yesterday. There are no incompletes. Everyone is caught up. You guys have done a masterful, great job on that. I appreciate it, and please continue to do that. Today we will watch 2 teaching videos for about 30 minutes. There will be no homework for the remainder of the time. When you're done watching those videos, I want you to work on your review sheet. Monday, I will give you homework over the videos you were watching today. So Monday, you will take a test, and then Monday night, you will have homework over these 2 videos you're watching today. The videos today are about reference angles and quadrant angles. Let me explain what this means and how they tie in with trig and future material, okay? Now, first of all, a reference angle is an angle. Let me show you real quick. If you're finding the sine of 30 degrees, okay? A reference angle is an angle that you find that when you take the sine of that angle, you get the exact same answer. For example, here's 30 degrees right here. Right there's 30 degrees. I'm using a mouse, not a pen. While a reference angle would be 30 degrees is not a good example to use. Let's say we're trying to find the sine of 120. A reference angle, as you're going to see in a second, would be, there's 120 degrees. A reference angle would be 60. Now, why that's important is if you take the sine of 120 or if you take the sine of 60, you will get the same answer, except sometimes the signs are different, negative and positive. That's why reference angles are very important. They're going to allow you to find sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent of angles that you did not know you could find by using reference angles, okay? That's really, really important you understand that. Quadrant angles are angles that fall right on the quadrant. In other words, 0 degrees, or they fall right on the axis. 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180, 270, 360, okay? And that's what quadrant angles are. So all of this material ties in with finding sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent of these different angles. This is really important. You've got to be able to do this because when we go into deeper trig, you're going to have to know how to find a reference angle very quickly, and you're going to have to know how to find the trig function of a quadrant angle very quickly. The teaching videos for today are reference angles, about 16 minutes, quadrant angles, about 14 minutes. One more quick thing about drop add. I received an email from Mr. Harmon yesterday. This is it. This is it. This week's it. Today's the last day. He's, and rightfully so, not too thrilled about this, so let's get it taken care of today. Okay, I got the email yesterday, so I could not tell you yesterday, but I'm telling you now, this is the last week, so today's it, unless he said in his email there's a really weird, extreme circumstance. So if you were thinking about it, get it taken care of today, okay? That's all for today, students. Please get started with your teaching videos and then work on your review sheet. Let's get some great grades on your test on Monday. Have a great day, great weekend. Contact me if you have any questions.